Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will be doing some styling for the dashboard page, but before that I want to fix this icon spacing. So let's go to VS Code, and this is the SVG which we are using for the home icon. Okay, so this is the class CSS class. So here what I'm going to do is I'll just rename it to class name, because in React we need to use class name, and this width, which is 6, I will change it to 8. Okay, and then I'll just need a margin of right, which is going to be 6, and color I'm going to change it to text black light. Okay, let me save this, and similarly I'm just copying this CSS classes and I'm going to paste on this SVG as well. So here is the class, so let me replace this with the new one. Let me save this and let's go back to the browser, and as you can see we have the spacing as well as the icon is also looking better and bigger. So now let's work on the dashboard page, do some styling. So this is the dashboard.js page. Let me close this, and here I'm going to do some styling. So already we have a class name of grid. I'm going to add few more classes, so I'll do grid call 3. Okay, so that will have 3 columns, and then we need to have a gap of 4 between the columns. This is justify between, we need justify between mx auto and max width screen will be large. Let me save this, and if I go back to the browser, so as you can see now we have this timeline sidebar in the center of the page with the 3 columns. Okay, so if I inspect and if I click here, as you can see we have 3 columns. This is the first one, second one and third one. So what we will do is we will merge the first and the second column, and then the third column will be the sidebar. So that we will do in the future video, but this was basic styling for this dashboard page. So this video will be very short, only a basic styling for this, and this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.